Hey guys, welcome to the show. We are here at Tesla HQ over in the Gold Coast, set up because your mate Elon was going out with a girl who's currently getting sued by Johnny Depp. Anyway, that's beside the point. We were checking out the Model 3. Accelerate from 40 to 60, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! 67k. 67k. I'm in a Tesla Model 3. Head to tech, trying out Tesla for the first time. That's my current car. Obviously, I'm not a fan of buying new cars, but I'm in the market for a new car. And there's people behind me.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go for a ride.
It's on right now.
Yeah.
But you can't hear it. Like, I'm stupid. I should have just got this car. Ready?
Oh, it's so quiet.
Look how quiet this is.
It's so quiet.
Oh my days, what is this? This is so silly. Okay, I can see that it slows down as you...
Oh no, what are you doing?
I'm going to go forwards.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it's a one pedal driving. Okay, I see what you're saying. Turning circle this is weird. Do you get cameras?
No.
Okay.
Doesn't seem that way.
It's so quiet. Okay, what's that sound about?
You want to take a right?
It's weird looking left. That's a bit weird. So it's telling me I should take a left. Where did you get right from?
The last one went right. Okay.
Oh. I went reverse by mistake. This is
Okay,
the
be
mirrors.
careful.
That's right.
Take it easy.
That's right. You can relax, babe.
Okay.
So it's one pedal driving. Okay, so you just accelerate.
So quiet.
Straight up, I'm going to do autonomous driving. Okay, cruise control is unavailable, so I got to drive this car normally. They said that cruise control wasn't that good, so it's weird driving because as soon as you let go of the accelerator, it stops.
It brakes.
Yeah. So where am I going? Right. Okay. It's got a lot of acceleration, isn't it?
It's got a
How
kick.
are you feeling?
It's got a kick. It's like.
Show your face.
So it's got a kick when you do accelerate. It's funny. I think you just have to get adjusted to the fact that when you take your pedal, your foot off the accelerator, it breaks down.
Look at this. It's got
That's
traffic
pretty
lights.
cool. That is pretty cool.
Okay. Yeah. It's like, do you know when you do go-karting?
Yeah.
It feels like a go-kart.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a real car.
Yeah.
Ash has been wanting to do a Tesla drive forever. It's really got a lot of kick to it. I've got to say, for an electric car, it's got a good punch. You know, you really can take off compared to the electric cars we've been playing with. So far, this one's super feisty. It's weird, like not having.
Walking across the road.
It's so cool. It is weird not having a speedometer or like a screen or all this other stuff that everyone else is talking about. But it's fun, nonetheless.
So where do I go now?
Take a left.
It wants me to take a right.
Okay, take a right.
I'll take a left. Sorry. I know the route from here.
You
Anyway.
just go that way, isn't it?
It's definitely a small car. I like that.
It's a small car for sure.
So if I try crashing it, will it stop me?
don't.
I'm not going to try. I'm wondering.
They might have got rid of that feature for this, so that they want you to crash it.
I got a genius idea because there's no stock here. Maybe if I hurt this car, I'll have to pay for it. Like I'll get to keep it.
Yeah, but if you also hurt it, you might ruin it. Like you might be able to drive it again.
I love the kick on this car.
It's such a good one.
Oi!
Careful.
Acceleration is nice.
Yeah,
I wasn't speeding.
no, you weren't. But yeah.
Okay, we're gonna accelerate from 40 to 60. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
This is fun. Okay, I haven't been in a petrol car that does that yet. That was pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's cool.
That was impressive.
Alright, we're gonna get one of these. Need to review on Here's a Tech, isn't it?
Gosh, you're doing a review now, Ash.
Is it a review?
Yes. You're doing 61 though.
No, 60. You know this is accurate.
How are you finding it so
I
far?
want to slow down and do the kick again.
It is definitely a feisty car. For an electric car, it has got kick.
And this is just a Model 3. This isn't even like a Model S Plaid or anything like that.
No wonder everybody is like getting these Teslas.
Of course, it's a spit. Look at this.
This has actually been a pleasant surprise.
It's fun.
Yeah, I like the kick. You know, I don't know why I was bad mouthing Tesla all the time. Yeah, the sunroof.
I just felt like Apple was pretentious.
Yeah, but that guy was alright. He was like, yeah,
He
you can
was
go for a test drive now if you want.
There was no one
And the
else.
great thing is they just leave you to go on your test drive by yourself. You know, we've been to so many brands so far.
Mercedes jump in the car.
Mercedes, BMW. They're all with you when you're doing a test drive, and it doesn't give you the opportunity to like feel the car because you feel so awkward when someone's behind you.
And they
saying,
will distract you.
Do you
If you got any questions? Okay, what question shall I ask you? I don't know.
Yeah, it's too many questions. Like they want you to ask a question, but you don't get time to actually absorb and feel what the car feels like. So that's annoying.
I got a smile on my face with this car.
I know,
It's
you're
a
loving
fun
it.
car.
You're loving it.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't get the Genesis
It's good that we went for this car. That's right.
because maybe there's something better around the corner.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's my first experience driving a Tesla Model 3. I feel like a stupid person for not ordering one sooner. I can't believe it. Like, I'm looking at the prices of other cars, I'm looking at the price of this car, I'm looking how this car feels.
It's a nice car.
It's a nice car.
The only tricky thing is though, it does look a bit silly from the outside. This car isn't like the swankiest looking car, but to be fair, like Ash said, it's got kick, it's got punch, and it's cheap.
Well, the good thing about it is, I know it's an odd, weird looking car. At least it's iconic.
Yeah.
You can tell it's a Tesla.
Definitely.
It's got like a brand behind it.
Definitely.
Obviously, it depends on what Elon Musk is tweeting.
Oh, it's the wrong
at that time.
gear. Wrong gear. Wrong gear. Left is this is the
You see, he wasn't happy with the tweet, but it depends on what he's tweeting. But mostly, you can tell Tesla means like it's
gonna be quality.
well, at least you're environmentally conscious and all that kind of stuff.
It's true. So just trying to like adjust the air conditioning. Oops, is a bit tricky. So you have to press on here and
Hey,
raise it up.
oi. We waved at each other. We did
you?
a Tesla wave. Yeah, he
Did
waved
he
at
wave
me.
at you?
See, normally Mustangs, what we do is we do this, the finger wave. That Tesla guy, he was really happy. He waved at me. I don't know if he was on a test drive as well, but we waved at each other. But what Nora was saying is,
You have to press on this button, and then everybody's got their own little area. So if you want to change the flow of the air for the drive and go up, down, left and right, or for your passenger, up, down, left, right, and then you can also change the how much fan speed you want. So you can go up to 10 or go
I want some
down.
more fans.
So we'll make it up to really high. So that this in itself is very tricky to do if you're driving by yourself.
Adjusting the car as a noob, it's very challenging because there's too many menus. It's very, very confusing for me. Maybe you need a personal assistant that constantly changes things for you. I don't even know how to get to this AC menu, and I don't even know how to adjust it with all the visualize. I need to look too much. So you do need an assistant to adjust the car. I think the dream is autonomous driving will work one day, and when it does, the computer will be your assistant.
To get out of the car, there is no pull. You literally just have to press here and open it goes.
Someone's walking around me with the camera view, and it should detect them around here. Oh, it hasn't detected them. But yeah, this button here, you can see all the cameras. Oh look, see? There's someone right next to me there. It's that person over there. What are you doing? So I'm just driving around. This is the spit in the Gold Coast. So got a bit of bumps here. Got a nice speed limit. Everyone parks up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how smooth it goes when we have a nice straight.
Now enter.
Your Uber's here. Hello, your Uber's here. Alright guys, so yeah, Tesla Model 3. Great value car.
Now turn.
Great value car. I really like it. And I wish I would have ordered one. I might even order one. Yeah, I might even order one because it's just a 6 to 12 month waiting. Whereas the Model S and the X, we don't know how long that will be. and it'll be more expensive. Or maybe it's worth waiting for the Y. That could be fun. That's like a mini baby SUV. But yeah, it's just a good price point. Seems alright to drive. Not 100% sure about the whole charging network situation. But maybe if you don't go on far journeys, you know, you can just charge up every day at home and it'll work out slightly cheaper than petrol eventually. So yeah, seemed good. I'm impressed. I like it. It's a bit odd looking here all the time. A bit odd, but you probably will get used to it. But you get a lot of value for your money. So this is a great, not that I need to recommend it to you guys because you guys already are buying these out. They're sold out, but yeah, it's great.
I mean, my favourite aspect of the whole of this journey is just the kick that it has. That is super surprising. For a
electric
car
cars
this
will have
size, true. This is a tiny car. Yes, I agree with you. It is super. Well, it's not super ugly, but it's just a bit not pretty from the outside. But from the inside, it's very spacious. I do feel like I'm in some sort of like capsule or something. Like
When's the Cybertruck coming?
That would be cool.
I was waiting for the Cybertruck. I had my order on the Cybertruck.
I look forward to that one. So yeah, all in all, it's a fun drive. It is really comfortable. I think you've gotten used to like the braking when you take off your foot from the pedal. The
Yeah,
one
I've gotten
pedal
used to looking
driving.
at this dash.
You get used to it fairly quickly. Like we've been on a test drive now for 20 minutes. I think
That long?
all in all,
Go ahead, back.
it's pretty good. I'm enjoying it. So let us know if you got your own Tesla or if you got one in order, which one are you getting and what spec are you choosing. But yeah, let us know in the comment section below. And of course, hope you guys
Found it really useful and enjoyed the show.
woo!
Because I guess it's not an SUV, but it's bigger for a sedan. You know, the Mercedes, it's like an E-Class level height. Oh. All right, this is what you get in the front.
Oh, okay, small.
So maybe it's big enough for a little baby compact pram. Maybe it's just a bit too big. Like something. It's a bit of shopping, put it in milk.
Look at the back.
Tidbit, I'm back in my Mustang. I gotta say, Mustang's so nice to drive. It feels like a car. It felt so nice. It felt rugged, it felt good. Tesla was like driving on, it felt easy street driving. It felt like driving a buggy. Not to say that's bad, because obviously I'm gonna get one now. But driving a Mustang is just, oh, you feel like you're driving a car. It's not a car, this is a car. Like the steering wheel was so nice and rugged. It's like when I'm driving a Mustang, I feel like I'm driving a horse, that kind of technology. Oh, it feels nice. This definitely doesn't have the kick of a Tesla. Oh my God, shame on top, but it feels like a car. I can look at the wing mirror, I can flick. Maybe I'm just used to it.
You're used to it.
Mustang, the Model 3, it felt like I was driving a girl's car, which isn't a bad thing.
Because I'm a girl, but you know what? I think I want like a bit more of an oomph car. I want a bit of That's not how you park a car, Tesla. The fire hose.